Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs on the Earthly Landscapes blog. So I'm at a project in Dana Point designed by me, installed maybe about 2 to 3 months ago, and I wanted to show you what the project looks like. But before I do that, I make videos about drought-tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability, anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. Alright, let me turn this camera around. Okay, so on this side, what we planted is some seaside daisies right here, some Cleveland sage back there. Here we have some siskiyou blue, fescue, and then also a woolly blue curls. This, the homeowner and her little granddaughter planted some spinach, carrots, and onions, I believe she said. And they planted it from seed, so we'll see. Another woolly blue curls back there. We left this area as is. We left all the palm trees so that on this side, the premise here is that this Carapia ground cover, which was planted in plugs, will fill in, and you can then walk through the new soft set flagstone. And all the pots here will get redone eventually, and there will be a bistro table and chair set here. The homeowner has ordered it, but it has yet to arrive. Some other plants, new on this side anyway. The purple 3-on, the apricot mallow here, and the San Clemente Island mallow. All of the other hardscape is existing. And then also there was a little planting area back here, and what we did was we put the 6 feet tall and wide Cleveland sage. So yeah, this garden is looking really nice. I want to say this was installed 2-3 months ago-ish. And hopefully next year it could be on the CNPS garden tour, maybe. But yeah, I mean, I want to show you this seaside daisy. I mean, it's just profusely going nuts. And eventually what will happen, hopefully, is that the siskiyou blue fescue here will get big enough that it'll just kind of slightly overpower the rocks. And all of the rocks and boulders that you see here were existing. We didn't buy any new. And also, the lighting, which is solar, the homeowner bought from Lamps Plus.